colors are fine for you.
That's the point.
Sounds like white. That's how white for the life.
Okay. Jesus!
I'm one animal.
We're already at the shop and she wants to install my hair. After installing my own, I will also install for her. Okay, this is trade by barter. Like, this is what we are doing for each other. Do you get? So yeah.
I don't know. I look so beautiful this morning. I look so vivacious. Yeah, they catch me. May fire. May fire no for me.
Hey fam, it is still your favorite baby girl, Faith Chigemezu Williams, aka Love Berry. Of course, you know that I am an apprentice for now, and yeah, so in our shop we do use each other as models. Okay, so today somebody is installing my hair. She's also an apprentice just like me, so yeah, she's installing my hair today, and another day I am going to install for her. Oh my goodness, hairstylists, you guys are really trying, because I feel like this thing is difficult, but okay, maybe it's because we have not really learned it very well. We are not good at it, because I see people doing these things effortlessly. When I mean effortlessly, effortlessly. Hey God.
Sorry.
Chuma, beg me away, beg me away.
Sorry.
You must see my ear, oh. I beg, that one, they talk so the. Oh my goodness. The hot come is hot. It's hot, oh. Chuma, the day I go install your own hair, you go choke.
I will tell you sorry.
I go still tell you sorry, Dad. But the hot come make the front side fine. Chuma, no finish my butterfly spray. No finish am.
No be small.
Oh, I just had to feel myself, okay, while my colleague was was just struggling with the frontal. It's not funny, but it's still funny at the same time, because I feel like at this point it wasn't in fact it wasn't funny. Let me just say it wasn't funny. Yeah, she was still struggling with it. Oh my goodness. Hey God Almighty.
Installation na water, oh. Omo. We will get there. So guys, we are done with the installation, and yeah, this is the work of an apprentice. Like you all know, I am also an apprentice, and we are using each other as models. Yes, we are using each other as model. I am her model today, and she will be my model another day. Okay, so yeah, I am back home. I was not able to film everything at the show, but you guys, because I'm going to somewhere, but the hair is not that bad. It's not bad, you guys. I'm radiating in the glory of the Lord. Like, I am shining too much. I am radiating, because guys, I am. Jack is a Jack. Look at Jack. Jackie. Jack is our dog here. Jack is our dog here, and yeah, if you've been seeing my videos, you would know that Jack is in this house. Is our dog here. Jack has been tearing my clothes in this house, and I don't know what to do to him. I don't know. So thank you for watching, okay?
Please encourage me by subscribing, liking, dropping a comment, and sharing. Please drop a comment. Thank you. I love